Shay with the Owyhee Onions 101. How do we grade onions? Well, they're coming in off the back line right here. Getting the skin sucked off there. And down here where you can see the flashes. Let me see how low I can get here. There you go. When it goes through the tunnel, it's going to get 20 pictures taken of every single one of these onions. 20 of them. And over here, we're going to get another picture taken with a mass spectrometer of the inside of the onion. Okay. And then after that, they're going to come out. They've already been graded. From there to right here, the computer already knows where to put the onions. The bad onions, or the ones that need to be rechecked, are going to go over and they're going to check them again. The good onions are already weighed, sized, and graded, and they go right here. Let me get you down lower. Once we get that, we come here, up into the conveyor belt, and into the bags and onto the pallet. And that, my friends, is an Onion 101.